Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Bancroft, Ontario, is a charming town, nestled in the heart of the Ontario Highlands. It is best known as the mineral capital of Canada, with its rich geological history, attracting rockhounds and enthusiasts from all over. The Bancroft Mineral Museum is a must-visit, if you're curious about the area's fascinating geology, showcasing a variety of minerals and fossils found in the region. For outdoor enthusiasts, Bancroft offers a wealth of activities. One of the town's highlights is Eagle's Nest Park, a stunning natural area that towers over the town. The park features hiking trails through diverse ecosystems, offering breathtaking views of the York River Valley, from the popular Hawkwatch viewing platform. It's also a place rich in history, with trails that tell the story of early Indigenous and European settlements in the area. Bancroft is surrounded by beautiful lakes, making it a popular destination for water sports like fishing, swimming, and boating. If you enjoy hiking or just want to soak in the serene landscapes, Algonquin Park is nearby, offering even more opportunities for exploration and adventure. Whether you're here to explore its natural beauty, dive into its rich history, or simply enjoy the peaceful atmosphere, Bancroft has something special for everyone.
you.